I want to teach you the secret weapon to creating viral content on social media. And I'm Gary Geiman with Dominate Partners, and creating content is just half the battle. Now you want to get people to engage on that content, like, comment, share, because that's what matters. And eventually either create raving fans, clients, leads, whatever your focus is. But look, these social media platforms have secrets, and if you can understand these secrets and enter the Illuminati of social media, you can be successful in expanding your reach and expanding your audience, which means probably expanding clients, leads, raving fans, etc. So here is the secret weapon to creating viral content on social media. Are you ready? It's creating a mafia. Creating a mafia, well, I'm not talking about The Sopranos or Godfather, which are all great pieces of filmography, I think they're called. No, what I'm talking about is creating a group of people that are focused on helping you be successful on social media. And so what you want to do is find 10 people. 10 people is a good round number, but these 10 people need to be engaged, and hopefully you're helping them as well. So you create these 10 people that you can count on to engage in your content. And by engaging, you want to be really specific in telling them, hey, I want you to like this comment or content. I want you to comment on this content. And I want you to share this content to your profile. And so you want them to do this on Facebook, on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and then on YouTube, you want the likes and the comments. If you're focused on those 5 platforms, that's what you want your mafia to do. So how do you maintain this mafia? Well, I would maintain it in a few different ways. One is by text, one is by social media messenger, and one is by tagging them in the posts. Text, obviously have a text thread. Hey, I'm posting this content. I'd maybe put a link in the text of the content so they can go straight to it. I'm posting this content. Please like, comment, and share this content sometime today. And then social media messenger, same thing. Tagging them is going to make it show up in their feed, and then they can obviously do the like, comment, and share. But you really want them to do it on that first day. And here's why. The reason why you want to have this is because there is a metric, time on the wall, that is calculated by the social media platforms that keeps your content in front of people, right? This is why 4 days later, a piece of content that was posted can come up in your profile, and you're like, why was this posted 4 days later? And now it's in my profile. Well, social media platforms use this most relevant time on the wall algorithm that says if a post gets engagement, and engagement is weighted, share is the highest engagement, then a comment, then a like. If content gets engagement, we're going to put that back into the feed. And each profile or each platform has different time metrics that they keep that content in the feed based upon the engagement. And so if you post something, for example, Facebook's going to let it sit there for, who knows, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever their algorithm is doing at the time. It's going to be based on the time of day, how many of your friends are online, all that good stuff. But if you're hacking it using this secret, your content's going to stay on longer, get more views, get more eyeballs. You get more eyeballs, you can get more clients, more leads, more raving fans, make more money. And so creating the mafia, being engaged with the mafia, not just them working for you, but you working for them to help improve their content, and then understanding that engagement is weighted. Share has the highest, then a comment, then like, is going to help you continue to perpetually keep your content in front of people. And as your content shows greater engagement metrics, you'll be able to post and get more likes, comments, shares. You don't believe me? Go look at your heroes on social media and take a look at their content. The content that has the greatest viewership, typically, most video views, are the ones that has the most engagement, shares, comments, and likes. And we just need to take that as ourselves, create a mafia, which is the secret weapon to creating viral content on social media, dominate your market.